Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Srijita. Today is Saturday, March 14th and it's almost 10 a.m. and I just woke up. Somo is making tea and we're going to have it with this Hawaiian king bread. I just love it. I'm not a tea person though. Shomo is, even though you ask him for tea 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. doesn't matter, he will always say yes. But I'm not that kind of a person. I don't like tea that much, but I love to have milk tea with bread. Do you guys love it? Let me know. And yeah, that's what we're going to have, and let's see. Hello. So now I'm going to prep today's lunch. Today we're going to have dal, rice, maybe some veggie like aloo jinga posto and topshe fry. I got this fish. It's a fish fry basically. So now I'm going to marinate it. So thought of sharing the recipe with you. So yeah. So for the marination, first I have taken very little amount of onions. Then there I've added 3 cloves of garlic and I'm adding a little bit of water. Now I'm going to grind it. So other than this onion garlic paste, we need salt and we need little bit of vinegar as well. Now we are going to mix it all up and marinate it for at least 1 hour. So let me sit and talk to you guys for a bit. And that is, how are you guys all doing? Like the current situation around the whole world, this coronavirus thing. Like, how are you guys all doing? I hope you all are good and safe. We are good as of now. Please be safe, guys, and don't take it casually. Just be aware, stay safe, wash your hands, be at home as much as you can. Don't go to the public places. These are the little things, little precautions we could take not to get affected by this virus. If we could take these little precautions, why not? So yeah, don't take it casually. And people are making fun of this as well. Like in social media I could see this very, I don't know, very senseless things they are doing. Like so many deaths report are coming up, so many people are getting affected and they are making fun of it. I don't get it. So what to do? But please guys, stay safe and be healthy. But these things are creating panic over people. That's what I believe, because here in USA at least what we are experiencing is things are getting out of stock in the grocery store, like especially the toilet tissues, hand sanitizers, hand wash, like antibacterial hand wash, antibacterial hand soap, antibacterial wipe spray. Everything was going out of stock. Like yesterday we went to the grocery store, we couldn't get anything. Like people are stocking over these things. Every these aisles are totally empty, and like the people who actually need it are not getting it. Like I only have one roll of toilet tissues left, and I don't know, I'm not getting anywhere. Yesterday we went 4 different stores, and every stores were out of stock. So let's see, that's what happened. And even in the Walmart, the food section was full empty. Like their potatoes aisle was full empty, there's no spinach. The bread aisle was full empty, there was no eggs, no milk. Like we could get the Red Value brand milk but no organic milks. I didn't get the Lay's basic Lay's chips. I didn't get it. The each and every aisle, I'm not gonna say, but most of the aisles are empty, and it's scary, After seeing the grocery store like this, people really getting scared. At least I am. We are like, what is happening? Like, the basic things we need, we're not getting it. So this is the thing we are experiencing. I hope is gonna go away real soon. And yeah, that's that. Tell me your guys' experiences, what you guys are experiencing, and this is what we are experiencing currently. And yeah, that's that. Now I'm going to make dal. So here I am using mosur dal. I'm going to first take it in a strainer. I'm going to wash it off well, then just add water and keep cooking until it's fully done. And I also added salt and turmeric, basic spice. So yeah. So today I'm going to make this aloo and jhinge veggie with some poppy seed paste. I don't know what it is called, jhinge in English or Hindi, so that's why I'm pronouncing it jhinge, because that's the only way I know it. So in Bengali this veggie is called aloo jhinge posto, so that's what I'm making today. So I already add oil into the pan. Now I'm going to add potatoes first, and I'm going to add salt and turmeric into it, and I'm going to cook it first. When this is done like 80%, then I'm going to add the jhinge into it and again cook it until it's fully cooked. Then I'm going to add this poppy seed and green chili paste into it, mixed it up, and it's ready to serve. Now I'm going to make the batter for the fish fry. For that I've taken bashoon, that is gram flour, and I also need some corn flour, 1 egg, and some chopped up coriander leaves and green chilies and salt. Now I'm going to add all this up in a bowl and mix it well and make it a lump free batter. Now coat the fish with the batter quite well and fry it until it gets brown on the both side. So our lunch is ready. It's rice, dal, the sabji, and fish fry, and we're going to have the lunch now. Hello. So it's almost 7:40 now. I cleaned the kitchen, and now what I'm going to do is clean my makeup brushes. Like, those are so dirty, they really needs a cleaning, like really needs a cleaning. And I got this thing, like it's a cleaning pad, brush cleaning pad from Amazon. It's quite cheap, $5 or $6, I think $5. So I got this one. I haven't used it yet. It's in the same packaging it came in the mailbox. So today I'm going to use it, and I'm going to clean my makeup brushes now. So let's do it. So these are the all brushes which I need to clean now, and I need towel to dry these brushes after cleaning. And it's a soapy water. I add shampoo, water, and a little bit of coconut oil into it. And yeah, I'm going to clean this. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to end today's vlog here, and it's the next day. I forgot to end yesterday's vlog, so here I am ending yesterday's vlog. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you love to watch my videos and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.